Hello, my dear friends. So, welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing my channel, liking my videos, and commenting on my videos, guys. Thanks a lot for your love, affection, and support towards my YouTube channel. So, guys, let's continue our journey, our discussion of planet Sun through zodiac signs, and we have covered till planet Sun in the sign of Leo. And in this particular video, I'm going to explain you about planet Sun placement in the sign of Virgo. So what will happen when planet Sun, the planet of authority, comes in the intellectual sign of Virgo? In your horoscope, I'm going to explain you its positive, its negative, each and every situation or practical events which you people are going to experience in your life in this video. See, before starting the video, we must have to understand these two entities. What is planet Sun in astrology? See, planet Sun, it is a representation of the light phase. There are total two phases. The one hand shows the darkness and the other it is the light phase. So the light phase, it is represented by planet Sun. Sun represents your ego, your soul, the Atman which is present inside you, it is also governed by Sun. Sun represents the purity of your soul. Sun represents your father. The relationship with your father, it is also seen from Sun. Even the relationship with the government officials or the politicians or some high class people, it is also seen from planet Sun in your birth chart. Relationship with your father, it is also seen from planet Sun. Sun, it is a karka or significator of all the chief level executives in any organization. Suppose you work in some kind of organization. So the people that are sitting in the top, the board of directors, CEOs, CTOs or the VPs, these all people, they are influenced by planet Sun. All the politicians, they are also governed by Sun. Because Sun, it is a king-like creature. And king, it is the controller of many things. It also represents the kind of authority and power which you are going to experience in this present birth. It is also seen from Sun. Sun, it is a karka of your health, your vitality and many other things, especially regarding Vedanta, Vedantic knowledge, spirituality, Adhyatam, Dharma. Many things are represented by Sun. And on the other hand, if I talk about the sign of Virgo, it is a very intellectual sign, very intellectual. These people are the hard workers. Hardcore, like these people, they tend to work 18 hours a day, non-stoppable. Also, the sign of Virgo, it represents a very nitpicking character. These people are having the habit of analyzing things, then over-analyzing things, then again over-analyzing each and every situation in their lives. Also, they are very self-critical regarding their appearance, regarding each and everything, or in whichever house this sign is posited, it shows the person is going to be very critical regarding that areas of their life. Also, the sign of Virgo, it is originally the 6th house, which represents your disease, death and enemies as well. Your day-to-day life, it is also seen from the sign of Virgo. These people are having the habit of looking into the very minute and very minor things. So that habit, that keen sense of humor or that eye for the detail-oriented person, you can call them as. So whenever these two entities combine, Sun and the sign of Virgo, first of all, these individuals, whenever they aspire or whenever they go towards acquiring the authority and power in their life, these people have to suffer a lot because of their own ego. Because Sun in the sign of Virgo represents a lot of hardships and struggles in attaining the things related to Sun, whether it is authority, power or high level positions. Because the sign of Virgo, it acts as an obstruction, badak, in front of Sun. Because Sun, it is a fiery element and on the other hand, the Virgo represents the earth element. So the fire element, whenever comes with the earth element, it have to deal with lot of obstacles and obstructions. These people, usually whenever they aspire towards doing something in their life or doing something great or achieving towards that higher positions, they must have to go through lot of ups and downs and lot of obstacles in their life. And in this way, their ego sometimes hurt a lot because they are having that kind of inner capabilities or that far-sightedness, it is also present inside them. But not many individuals will be able to understand why they are working the way they are working, or why they are thinking the way they are thinking, because they are having the broader perspective regarding each and everything. They are not the people who are just looking at the small things. They are having the people that, because sun, it represents the light phase. So in the sixth house, it gives a light, that kind of a light image in the sixth house. So all the issues related to the sixth house, whether it is related to the disease, enemies, deaths, or day to day life, person will tend to acquire the broader perspective. And yes, these people are having the lot of inner capabilities to build something, to do something good for the society, that is always present inside them. But the kind of obstacles which they have to face, they must have to face in their life, in order to overcome their difficulties. You can call them as like the, in the sign of Virgo here, the upper power or the some higher energy try to reshape you. It is going to chisel you to bring out the main character within you. So that is the karmic path of sun in the sign of Virgo. Also regarding money and materialistic gains, if I talk about, here you can consider sun is going 2 places away from its original sign of Leo. So whenever any planet goes 2 places away, it shows some kind of a gains. So you can please check out the house, in whichever house this placement is occurring in your life. Suppose your Virgo sign is in the 4th house. It means sun is going from the 3rd house to your 4th house, from the 3rd house of Leo in the 6th house in Virgo. So incoming gains is seen from your hard work, because 3rd house represents your hard work, through your siblings also, because 3rd house represents your siblings. So the incoming gains is seen from these things. You can consider in any other house. Suppose I take the example of the 10th and 11th house. Sun controls the 10th house with the sign of Leo and sitting in the 11th house in the sign of Virgo. So it means lot of gains through your career or your career environment. In whichever you field you are working, you are acquiring a lot of gains. And you will experience these kind of a thing, especially in the Sun Mahadasha, or the time period of the Sun. Maybe in its transit, or some Antardasha, some Priyantardasha, some sub period. In that period, you will experience the real joy regarding the wealth and accumulation of money. Also, one more thing regarding relationships, if I talk about in the sign of Virgo, because as I told you, these people are having some kind of a hardworking nature. They always put themselves to work first, because for these people, work is worship. Every other thing, it is the secondary part in their life, whether it is relationships or any other thing. So in order to fulfill their higher karmas, the relationship with their spouse, children, with their life partner, or in their family members, these people have to suffer a lot, because they are the very over ambitious people. They are having that kind of a big dreams. I will acquire this thing, achieve that thing or that thing in my life. So in order to fulfilling their higher karmas, they are ignoring their small group of individuals. So in that way, their family life or the love and relationship part is somewhere absent from their life. Also, one more thing, whenever sun placement in the sign of Virgo, especially in the 6th house, it have the ability to destroy your enemies. Suppose, or your competitors. Suppose you are working in some kind of a business. So as you know, nowadays there is lot of competition going on in the business. So then sun in the 6th house, it gives the ability, natural ability, to overcome the obstacles and destroy your enemies. In that way, you tend to defeat your enemies whenever sun is posited in the 6th house. But it is not good for your health and vitality perspective, because it will give lot of health related issues, especially related to stomach, the indigestion of food, or like constipation. These kind of a thing especially seen whenever sun is posited in the sign of Virgo. And in the 7th house or 8th house of relationships, then it is going to spoil your marriage life as well, because that hot-headed burning planet whenever comes in the 7th house of relationships, because sun have no understanding regarding what is relationship and how to deal. Sun only know how to acquire power, how to achieve that higher aim, or how to rule over people. Sun have no understanding regarding the regarding these stages regarding the marriage life. So in that way, there these things, seventh and whenever in the eighth house, these people have to suffer a lot because of their married life. Some kind of a non-satisfaction part is always seen in their life, irrespective of the placement. Out of 12 houses, in whichever house sun is posited, it shows some kind of non-satisfaction. The kind of non-satisfaction. I'm not satisfied with my current job. I'm not satisfied with my business scenario. But try to understand one thing: non-satisfaction. It is a very creative state. Don't take it in a negative way. If you are dealing with such kind of issues, it is a positive sign, very very positive signs. It means you are having the inner capabilities. Somewhere from the inside, your inner soul or Atman, that thing is telling you to please aspire towards your goals or that dreams in your life. And yes, these people have the ability to achieve each and everything in their life. So that's it guys from my side in this video. I hope you like my analysis. If you have any query regarding your birth chart, please shoot me an email. Any query regarding sun placement, your marriage, career, any consultation you want to ask, I will respond you back within 48 hours after receiving your email. So till then guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it below. Make sure to please share this channel with your friends and family members who are in love with astrology. I will meet you very very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.